penny ante. The idiom, penny ante, refers to something that is of little importance or value. It originates from the game of poker, specifically the phrase, penny ante poker, which is a game where the bets are very small, usually only a few cents. In a broader sense, penny ante can be used to describe any situation or activity that is considered trivial or insignificant. Here are a few examples of how penny ante can be used in different contexts. 1. In a business meeting, let's not waste time discussing penny ante issues. We need to focus on the bigger picture and make important decisions. In this example, penny ante is used to emphasize the need to prioritize important matters over trivial ones. 2. In a sports competition, the coach believes that practicing the basics is crucial. He doesn't want the team to overlook penny ante skills like passing and dribbling. Here, penny ante is used to describe fundamental skills that might seem small or insignificant but are essential for success in the sport. 3. In a personal relationship, don't let penny ante arguments ruin your friendship. It's not worth fighting over minor disagreements. In this case, penny ante suggests that small arguments or disagreements should not be allowed to damage a valuable relationship. 4. In a financial context, he refused to invest in penny ante stocks. He preferred to focus on more substantial investments with higher potential returns. Here, penny ante is used to describe stocks with low value or potential, suggesting that they are not worth investing in. Overall, the idiom, penny ante, is used to highlight the insignificance or triviality of something in various situations. It helps convey the idea that certain matters or activities should not be given much importance or attention.